Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Ridhi Dua and today I'm gonna teach you how to go from this to this. So keep on watching. I don't know if you guys can tell it or not, but I did shave my eyebrows, like half of my tail, so that I can achieve more like straight and lifted eyebrow look. Although it's my birthday in a week's time, I don't think so my eyebrows are going to grow back by then, so we gotta roll with this on my birthday as well. Also guys, I changed a little bit of my lighting setup, so in the comments down below let me know if you like it or how can I improve on it, because I would love to know your opinion. Let's start with eyebrows itself. I'm also going to extend it outwards using the help of my eyebrow pencil. I'm finding it a little hard to do because, see, I'm very used to doing my eyebrows in a certain way. My hands just move in that direction. So I sort of need to like control it a little bit and So this is what we are rolling with. I wish it could have been a little bit more lifted, but I can't shave off my eyebrows anymore. Now what I'm gonna do is to take my eyebrow spoolie and spray it with the L'Oreal Elnet Satin Extra Strength Hairspray. So I'm gonna prime my eyelids first. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape in light. I'm also gonna take this concealer right underneath my eyebrows to get a really precise line. I don't usually do this. I'm gonna use my camo sponge to blend the concealer in. Also make sure to take your concealer like in here as well. It really helps you to give a brighter inner eye effect. So I'm gonna take my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette. Got all the neutrals you will ever need. And I'm gonna take my PAC 213 brush. And I'm gonna dip into the lightest transition shade in it. And this will just go all around the crease just to add a little bit of color before we get started with our foxy eye. Now what you gotta do is to take some sort of like card or something with a sharp angular edge, and you gotta line it against so from your outer corner towards your tailbone, something like that. I'm gonna start with this pukey brown shade right over here with my PAC 028 brush, and I'm gonna align that and start following that. Now don't take your eyeshadows to your inner corner, just take it halfway and leave it like that. I'll also take this shade a little bit in my crease. This shade I want to be really blended. Now I'm gonna take my PAC 226 brush with a little deeper shade. So with each step moving forward, our eyeshadows will start getting deeper and our eyeshadow brushes will start getting more smaller and preciser. And I'm gonna go into this shade right over here. It's the same process, but we just need to keep it a little bit more closer to our lash line. Again, don't take it in, just take it halfway. I'm gonna go back in with my first brush just to give it a little bit of blend, not too much, just a little bit of blend. Now I'm gonna go into this shade with my Dose of Colors brush. As you can see, it's very precise, but it's still like pretty fluffy, so it won't give you a harsh line. And just build it up. Go back in with the previous brush that you used, just to give it a little teeny tiny blend. So this is how it looks so far. You need all the intensity on the outer corner. Just keep your inner corners blank. Don't need any shadows over there or you're gonna lose that cat eye effect. Now I'm gonna take my liner. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex liner. Now the trick with liner is, again, just need to bring it halfway and keep it very thin. So need to be really precise over here. I'm scared for the liner step, okay? don't know if you guys will be able to see it or not, but I really need to get up close in my mirror. For my foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm going to start with a pump of it and build it up as needed. To highlight, I'm going to use my favorite Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in shade Vanilla. I'm also going to mix a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape in shade Light, just to add a little bit of brightness and lightness around my eyes, you know. And I'm going to bring it across my nose as well, actually. As you can see, I'm blending my concealer in an angular direction. This really gives a lifted effect. Really precise around your eyes and really lift it up. And as you can see, I really took my concealer up there. You can still sort of see a concealer line there. You need that. See how lifted my eyes look? Now, I usually do not bake my under eyes, but today I am going to, because I need really bright under eyes. Again, I'm gonna bake in that angular shape. While that is baking, I'm gonna bronze as well. Not bronze, today we need to contour, okay? I'm gonna take my Hoola bronzer with PAC 112 brush. See, as you can see, this is where my natural contour is. I'm not gonna contour it over there. I'm gonna contour it way high up to really get our face lifted. I'm gonna use a little bit more foundation down here, and then I'm gonna bake this area as well. Okay, so I baked over here as well, which I usually don't.
But I'm gonna remove my bake as well, because if I leave it for longer, my skin will be dry as it can be.
Wow, I'm looking really white, but I promise it's gonna all come together at the end. When we spray a little bit of hydration, it will be all fine. Contour my nose. What I'm gonna do is to take the same brush and just start dusting this on my nose. But now again, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of powder, just a little bit, and just create a sharp edge, a sharp line. And I'm just gonna like let it bake a little bit before I remove it all. Wow, my lines went really crooked over there. I'm gonna remove it actually. So that's how I contoured my nose. I'm not the best at contouring my nose, but this just works for me, you know. So I'm gonna use Gold Rush from Benefit. It's a very low pigment blush basically, and this will again just go at the back of our cheeks.
I need a better brush for my blush.
I don't want to look very blushy today, and this blush does not have a lot of pigment to it, so it's perfect. I love to run a little bit on my nose, a little bit around my chin, and a little bit on my forehead, just to bring the color together, you know. Now I'm going to go back to my eyes. I will take my liner and have a little bit of inner corner moment. So the tip over here is keep it thin and just follow the line of your eye shape. Now I'm gonna grab the Nykaa Kajal and tightline my upper waterline. I'm gonna cry from this eye. No, it will like ruin my liner. Please don't. Can you see what it has done? I'm gonna curl my lashes, put on a layer of mascara. You will need these sort of lashes that go from short to long. I'm gonna cut these to the size of my eye.
2 hours later.
I'm gonna line my inner and outer lower waterline, and I'm gonna leave the center bare. I'm gonna do my lower mascara now. To line my lips, I'm gonna use the K Beauty lip liner in Fame. I'm gonna blend the liner in. I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Celebrity Skin.
We are looking very, very matte. Now it's time to do up our skin, okay?
So I'm gonna use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mist. I don't know if my video was recording or not, but I basically added a lot of highlighter. I used the Merry Luminizer. Okay, you all, so this is the finished foxy eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, learned how you can achieve this look. Like this video if you loved how the look turned out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We are very, very close to 1,000 subscribers. I am so excited also for the giveaway, which is at 1,000 subscribers. So subscribe if you haven't already. Also, please leave your video recommendations in the comments down below so that I can know what you guys want to see from me, and I would love to film that for you guys. I'm so obsessed with this look that I might do it on my birthday itself. It just is so eye-catchy and so like sexy. I love it. Oh my god. I can't stop looking at myself. That's how obsessed I am right now. And that's it for today, guys. I will see you all next time. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.